Marriage laws in India encompass several legal frameworks based on religious customs, personal laws, and secular provisions to accommodate the diverse cultural, religious, and social backgrounds in the country. Here's a detailed overview of the main laws governing marriage in India. 1. Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. This act applies to Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Sikhs. Both parties must be of sound mind, have reached the legal age for marriage, 21 for males and 18 for females, and cannot be within prohibited degrees of relationship unless permitted by custom. 2. Special Marriage Act, 1954. This act is a secular law that applies to all citizens of India, regardless of religion, caste, or creed. It allows interfaith marriages without requiring conversion. Both parties must be of sound mind, not within prohibited degrees of relationship, and meet the legal age of 21 for men and 18 for women. 3. Muslim Personal Law, Sharia. Application Act, 1937. This law governs marriage, divorce, and other personal matters for Muslims, alongside specific provisions under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act, 1939. The concept of nikah, marriage, involves a contract where the groom and bride must consent freely and a mahr, dower, is decided. Both men and women must be of sound mind, and the legal age of marriage varies by state due to personal law interpretations. 4. Christian Marriage Act, 1872. This act governs the marriage and divorce of Christians in India. Both parties must provide consent, must not be within prohibited degrees of relationship, and must meet the minimum age requirements, 21 for men and 18 for women. 5. Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act, 1936. This act governs marriage and divorce among Parsis, Zoroastrians, in India. Both parties must be of sound mind, not within prohibited degrees of relationship, and meet the age requirements. 6. Foreign Marriage Act, 1969. This law applies to Indian citizens marrying abroad and governs the procedure for registering such marriages. Similar to the Special Marriage Act, with the same age and consent requirements. The legal age for marriage in India is currently 21 for men and 18 for women, though there has been a push to make it 21 for both genders. Registration of marriages is not uniformly mandatory across all personal laws, but the Supreme Court encourages it to protect women's rights and simplify legal processes for marital disputes.